Hello. Welcome to the stream. I've just discovered something. I was loading the music for the stream and I clicked Browse Local Files. I just never did this, and all of a sudden I have access to all of the files for all the music that I own on Steam. That's pretty awesome. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Let me show you. Immediately popped into my head to do. Copy. Computer, thank you. Give me the directory. CD, that directory. Can we do that? Do we need quote? We need a quote. Hold on. We're quoting it. Single quote. There we go. Ba, ba, So now what do I do? A equals get child item. Blah, blah. 691. Okay, so if we go A 0. No. By extension. Okay, so A. So what do we do? What is it called? Group? Property? Ah, 470 MP3s. So cool. Do I want to copy all those? What do we do? So let's go like this. I forget how to do this. We can do a loop. Dude, the music. This is cool. Cool. What? 2 to 5. What's the... What did it say? 2 to 5? $763 by $216. What the hell? What are you doing? What? I don't understand this. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. Sheesh. Let's see if that works. Is that better? Thank you. Select from computer. This one. What? Now it's gonna massacre it. What the hell? Oh my god. Edit, preview. I just want to post the code so everybody can see. I guess people could kind of figure it out from there, but oh my gosh. Forget that. Image pull, quiz, video. Ba, 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 ba. Is this... There we go. I don't know why it did that. That was weird. I'd rather just post the text. We'll see what people do. Let me turn down the music in my ears so I can talk reasonably. Hey, Juice, what's up? But yeah, I just posted it as a text. That was pretty cool. Maybe somebody will like that. I just didn't want to think about the aspect ratio, so I had to go ask ChatGPT. I was too lazy to do the math. How you doing, Juice? Here's what we're going to work on. I started over completely on my main project. And here's what we're doing tonight. One solar system, one star, surviving, and you, yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta survive. You must. Holy shirt, we got 5 viewers. People must have come here expecting a, Codingame. I might as well warm up my brain anyways. Want to do a private clash? Let's go private. Let's do this in private. Let's do this in private. Anybody want to join? Want to click? If I'm not already following you on Codingame, I will follow you. We're following Juice. You may join anytime after the clash starts as well. I believe it runs for 15 minutes no matter what. No matter what. So the more the merrier. Can I still follow? I think I can still follow you, yeah, down here, so. What, we're supposed to take commands now? We're supposed to get into commands? Print the smallest number. Oh. Smallest, largest, third, smallest odd number, largest even number, second odd number. Print the 101st number. Whoa. So we're supposed to code smallest, largest, number, the number even, a number odd, and all that. Oh. I don't want to. I don't want to. So actually, isn't there a thing in strings, string methods? Capitalized case fold ends with encode find. So smallest and largest are just gonna have that. So, okay. If instruction dot find smallest. Hey, what project did you start again? I wonder if I should start to learn coding, since I wonder so many times that what was int again? You don't need to know what an int is. No, just kidding. You should know what an int is. You really should. Yeah. What is an int again? You could ask ChatGPT as well. If you don't know anything about coding, what is an int? Wonder if it'll tell me. Aha. In C++, in Java, in Python. Oh. Int stands for integer. It's a data type used to represent whole numbers, both positive and negative, so it's like the world of people. There's positive and negative. And yeah, if you have a desire to learn coding, you should. That would be great. That would be great. So find, did it tell me what find? Find doesn't really say what find returns. Finds the first occurrence, but returns is negative one of the values not found. Oh, that's good. That's good. I think that's good. But I have a desire. My mind is just blocking me from learning. Oh. We'll try Codingame. I had no idea about Python until I started with Codingame. It's really cool. Clash of Code is only the 15-minute brawl thing, and you can choose from all these different programming languages. What's really cool is it gets you started kind of with code. Like, this is actual code that will compile. So if I hit try again on this one, see, the answer comes out right here. C out is the answer. Do they have basic on here? They don't even have basic. That's how old and ancient my coding languages are. Do they have anything related to basic on here? They have Pascal, but they don't have basic. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Or you could do some PowerShell. You could do some Windows PowerShell. Because I learned so much more about the .NET when I started doing PowerShell. PowerShell has what's called an interpreted environment, which means that right now we're inside an environment where, let's say I go A equals 1, right? So I just hit A and it'll pop out the number 1. So if I go A equals A plus 2, the environment that I'm in is affected. So A is now 3. And then if I close the window, it's all gone. It does not exist. But PowerShell has a lot of really cool stuff to it. It's crazy. Where's chat? Oh yeah. Would it be easy to start coding if I had like RPG Maker type of game already? Then I'm just implementing my idea on it. Cool. Cool, dude. That's cool. I tried to learn coding through CS50. I don't know what that is. CS50. But yeah, you can also learn through W3 schools. They have C, C++, and stuff. W3 schools is really cool. So like the code is over here and you can change it. So I can change the code and then I just type run and then you get the result over here. So that happens to be world. The position in the string is, the beginning position of a string is 0. So if you count out 21, it will be right at the W. Theoretically. Theoretically. This is all a theory. I made it half through the lessons. Oh, what is CS50? CS50. Introduction to Computer Science. Oh, do they have, I think Harvard, yeah, is that the free course from Harvard or whatever? Yeah, cool. It is the largest course on Harvard campus. More than 4 million learners worldwide have registered for the course. Nice. That's cool. I've never been to Harvard myself, but made it throughout the lessons. Yeah, you're using Bing. Bing. Oh, I guess I was. I don't know. I don't pay attention when it comes to search engines. Really. But this is the game that I was working on. It's a space trader. As soon as I get the mouse, there we go. Boy, that was a long delay where I didn't have control of the mouse. I don't know why it does that. Why does it do that? See, this is the kind of frustration you're going to run into when you learn to code. But here's the ship, and here's the background. I just totally started this over from scratch, and this is all that I have in the game right now. That's it. This is it. The title screen, and this. But that's what this stream is about, in addition to some other stuff I have to do tonight, which is not very much, because I'm already set for the week of work. Go to work tomorrow, but we're going to add the star, which I'm really excited to do. And then we're going to add the planets, which I'm excited to do, and the moons, which I'm excited to do, and the asteroid belts, which I'm also excited to do, and the warp zones, we're excited to do that. And then around further out, we're going to add back in the stuff, all the crazy stuff I had before. Maybe this I can actually go like this and put this down here if I'm prioritizing, because the warp zones would be good, and then saving and loading is huge. Once I can save and load the stuff, it's huge. So we're gonna have to get into the whole fopen, fread, fwrite, all kind of saving stuff. Save, load. It's true. I sound not serious, but I'm very serious. Seems like you had a long flight ahead. I've already done a lot of the code, so I just have to look back at my code. Because I tell you what, this is the 228 version, right? Let me load the 227 version for you for just a second, and I'll show you. Keep in mind, I'm starting over, so I'm not going to use this, but I am going to use the code for it. Where's it at? Where did it go? It's gone. I'm kidding. It's right there. All right. Boom. See, the video and the overlay is supposed to loop, but I don't think... Oh, the build errors. What the heck? Oh, it's because I use... Oh. Where's NanoVG? I forgot. I think it's in Documents. OpenGL. Where's NanoVG? Nano. I think it's right here. Boop, boop, boop. Put that in. I think that's all I need for this one to work. But I'm not going to use NanoVG in the new one. I'm going to go full sway with ImGUI. See, this is what I had before, but the planets and stuff, they're really cool like this. But I think I'm going to save this for later in the game with like an effect or something. Because it just draws the moons, and then it either draws them connected by the lines, or it draws them all spiraling out from the center, kind of. And then these are like little flowers and things and crystals, and there's an inventory screen, which is kind of clunky and whatever, which is cool. You know, I was just getting, you know, the mechanic down, learn how to do it and stuff. These ship technology things light up as you do it, and there's more. Let me go back. I forgot to go into the thing and just. So you hit 2, and whoops, there it is. And so then you get this little Minecraft world. I put in the houses. It's just kind of. It chooses from a palette of colors, and then it displays the world. And then you can draw, like, you can select with the middle mouse button if you're over. And I just got to make it, I got to, you know, get this a little bit better and do this a little bit better. Plus, I'm going to do half blocks instead of full blocks. So there's going to be a little bit more detail to the ground. And then I'm also going to do, like, add in my own little terrain manipulation thing, which I have thought of, just to add like surfaces that are like maybe right here. See how this is an open surface, only it'll be a little bit more square, and then there'll be room for structures to go in, like a little village kind of mechanic, only kind of on steroids, because I'm a huge fan of the Minecraft village mechanic, but I'm also into making a space trader, so it'll be, you know, trading and doing all kind of stuff to get resources and whatever. And I cannot believe how huge my weapon is. My weapon is huge. That's what she said. Okay, boy, some of these are really pretty. So cool. See, but then once you get a certain of them, this lights up. That's my laser. Advanced laser. So now I can shoot the crystals as well, whereas before I couldn't shoot the crystals. And then once I get enough of the crystals, I'll show you here in just a second. The crystals are attacking. Just kidding, they don't attack. Sorry, Juice, I abandoned. See, then this lights up, which is supposed to be like the little mini-map thing. Didn't I have the little mini-map? Oh yeah, hold on, let's go out of the... How do you get out of the inventory? There we go. So the mini-map is a whole thing too. I don't know what causes this window to... Oh. But then I also have this. Can I click on that? Wasn't that something I can click on? And it's... Let's see, where is it? Oh. It's not working. Yeah. It's okay. That's why I'm going to start over. But anyways, so that's the project. And I'm starting over completely from scratch to get everything in order the way I want it. And all that fun stuff. A space trader with all kinds of different mechanics for when you land on the planets and stuff. It's kind of based on this game. It's a 2D game completely through and through, and they have been working on it forever. They have a loyal but small community that supports them. And the trading part of this is what I'm taking from this, you know. Hmm. Yeah, it's free to play. They have in-game purchases you can do, which makes you overpowered. And I never have. I don't think I've ever spent any money on this game, so I've never really gotten into being overpowered and buying some special stuff and whatever. But it is kind of fun because they have different servers you can play on. And I'm amazed that they've just done this with their talent in programming because it's really kind of a cool little nerdy kind of a game. If you like Space Traders, huge, huge fun. Heroes of Might and Magic, yeah. I'm familiar with that game, I believe. Is that an old game or is that... What am I thinking of this one? Oh. The end of partnership. Oh no, that doesn't sound good. But yeah. Space Wars. Called Space Wars? What? Did I miss it? What? Space Wars. Oh. On an unrelated note, our veteran moderator in the Tournament of Honor Forums, Vesuvius, has been working on a turn-based strategy game. Oh, cool. Space Wars. Game beta will start on December, and he's already posted... Ah. Space Wars. What is this? What is this? This is cool. Play now. Oh, look at that. This website's cool. I was just studying web design tonight. Oh, you can't read that. There you can. Space Force turn-based real-time turn-based experience. Ah, cool. Let's watch the trailer. Hex-based tactical ship-to-ship combat. Cool. Excuse me. Over 100 starships. That's cool. See, I want to have you can build your own ship. I mean, eventually, not at first. When I get the first game out, and it's going to be a demo. It's going to be really, really simple, basic Space Trader, basic everything. Then we'll get into some more advanced stuff. Some really cool stuff. This is crazy, beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Trailer's almost over. Hold up. Holy smokes. Nice. So,
there's nothing holding you back.
Space Wars, let me subscribe to that. And I'll like that too. Okay, cool. Very cool. Shoop. Free to play. Vesuvius is working on some game. I haven't checked it out. I get some EVE Online vibes from this. Did you mean vibes? Did you mean vibes? Okay. Cool. That's very cool. Okay, so EVE Online looks just like it. Yeah, I don't think my game's gonna be like that because the ship's pretty. The ship is pretty simple. So, okay, let's remove that. Let's take this out because that'll mess up the other thing. Okay. Whoa. Oh, okay. Just did the thing. All right. Let's go back to there. 228. Okay. So, let's get some music back in. Let's switch over to Skyrim. So what I want to do too, I think a lot of this stuff, render title screen, load title, texture, see a lot of this stuff I can move into another, I can move this into another, because there's too much code here. There's too much code. There's too much code. Skyrim OST is so soothing. Cool. Yeah, I like to use it for the background of my stream. Beautiful, beautiful game. Beautiful music. So there's that. Yeah, so hey, so why did you want to learn coding? Did you want to make a video game, or do you want to just make a utility or tool, or just do some math with it, or what is your dream? I have only designed ideas of games, but haven't done much work on them. Cool. That's cool. Thor has a website called develop.games. Talks about game dev, streaming, and his next game jam's coming up in a few weeks. You could literally get into the game jam as your first foray into game dev. He talks about everything on here, which is really cool. I paid 300 and whatever dollars for Thomas Brush's course and full-time game dev and all that, and that was good at the time. That was during the pandemic lockdown, and I was getting into game dev and whatnot. But this is free. This whole website is free, and he's actually streaming right now. He's really cool. I highly recommend him. His name is Thor. Pirate Software is his stream, and he's streaming right now, working on his game. I usually am watching him, except for right now I am working on my game. Yeah, there you go. Develop.games. So yeah, but no, I've been coding all my life. I started like when I was 9 with BASIC. My uncle got me a Texas Instruments TI 99 4A. I should do this. And I started coding on that. You have to look it up. Texas Instruments TI 99 4A. There it is. This was my first computer. Not even kidding you. It looked a little different than this. The keys were bigger. This is an area where you plug in a big old cartridge. Cartridges were expensive. As soon as you turn off the power, it was an interpreted BASIC environment. So like I was showing you with PowerShell, although it was BASIC. So like print hello, printed the word hello on the screen. And as soon as you turn off the power, all the stuff pre-floppy. Oh yeah, I was just about to say the first thing I did to save once I could afford it was a cable that kind of hung plugged in back here, I believe, and it ran to a tape recorder that is almost as big as this was that I used to use as a tape recorder to record my voice and play back stuff. And I did hours and hours of recording and playing back because I just thought the tape recorder was the coolest thing at the time, But it sounded like what later became modem talk, and it would record that sound onto the tape, and then later you'd have to rewind the tape to just the right spot. You'd have to find just the right spot, and then play it back for the computer, and it would listen, and it would restore what you had saved. Yeah, it was crazy. See, 1979. I was born in 73, so this came out when I was 6. And I got one when I was in 6th grade, so that's like what? How old are you when you're in 6th grade? 10, 9 or 10? I don't even know. And then I moved on up to the Apple IIc, and then started with the IBM 8088s, and 86s, 88s, 286s. Then you got the 286 SX and DX, and they had put on there the floating point chips. And so I've literally seen computers start, the computer guy in my early years would have been helpful, but there wasn't like anyone who knew much about coding and wasn't able to do computer stuff at home because of strict rules. Oh, yeah. Well, if you have access now and you want to do it, I'm sure if you only have a phone, there might be other ways to do that. I don't know about that, but if you have a computer, and if you wanted to start with something like JavaScript, Python, Java, that's what Minecraft's made out of. C++, that's what I got started in. The way I got started was I had a compiler, and at the time it was a bootleg compiler. Don't tell anybody. That means it was illegally copied software. Whatever, this is 30 years ago. And longer than that. And I got a help file, and I went through the help file and I learned about the commands and what they did. And that was it. That's how I learned programming. And I didn't actually read about what the commands did. I just looked at the examples. I just looked at the code. And because of what I knew from growing up with BASIC, I can read code. I can read it. Like, this is not foreign to me at all. And if I get into another programming language, I just need to learn the syntax, and then it just becomes natural to me. It's really cool. And I hope that becomes the way for you. See, this is the hello world. Usually when you learn to code a programming language, the first thing you do is a hello world program. You write a program, all it does is print hello world, exits, and that's what your hello world program does. Usually that's what people do when they learn a programming language. I have everything that can let me to study. It's just my own mind that is making it difficult. You need more motivation. Yes. To be honest, Ruby is probably one of the easiest languages to learn. Ruby. Yeah, I think I have a book. James Buck's Mazes for Programmers book was in Ruby. I didn't learn Ruby, but the maze stuff is in Ruby, and then I just kind of was able to translate it into C++. So I guess it's easy. I seem to remember... I seem to remember wanting to learn Ruby at one point. Maybe that's Perl. I'm getting confused. There's so many programming languages. It's insane. It's insane. So besides cleaning this up, what I want to do is... So yeah, we want to make the star. I know, I just need to look at it for a little bit. So one thing we want to do with the star is... It's basically one point. I want to draw a point. So it's in here. And I had the structures. Oh yeah, I was redoing all the structures and everything. I could just fumble through this and then get it to work. This is how I had my code before, or this is how I had the points before. So let's change this. Planets, moons, objects. Okay, so let's make this PT. That'll be a point. And then, is it going to go green on me, or is it going to stay? I don't know. It's being weird right now. So, and that's for the super shapes, which we're probably gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet. So what are we gonna do? Let's just do, what am I gonna do? Let's just make a bunch of them. Let's just make points. We want to do, it's gonna be points. 1,000 seems like a lot. It does. It seems like a lot. The one I've worked on is this survival horror kind of board game where you have two players playing against each other. Boss player is trying to kill the player with his generated rooms. Oh. Where he lays the rooms with traps and monsters. That's cool. And some different events. The game right now has 50 time counters. After that, there's going to be a duel between the boss and the survivor. Oh, wow. Cool. They have their own decks, which they gathered during the game. Cool. That's cool. I'm trying to figure out how the combat is going to be in the game. It's like chess-based combat with weapons that have different AoE areas. Cool. Sounds a little complicated though, but if you can get it to work, cool. But start with something simple. Um, if you need to dumb it down and then later get into the complicated stuff, do that. So just if you want to, like instead of like what I'm doing with the Space Trader is I have all kind of stuff planned. I went through and I did a game design document with ChatGPT, and it's huge. All this stuff that I want to put in the game. But I'm gonna dumb it down and do because one of the things that Thor talks about in the game in the game jam, when you have your game jam, is he requires, and this really helped me out. I'll show you. Where is it at? To be announced submission. The first week will be for a game design document. So you go through a game design document, and he's even got one here, a sample game design document. And it walks you through what all you need to think about. Each section you need to just think a little bit about it. You focus on it, and it really helps you to get your thoughts out, to think about all this stuff, and do this game design document. It's really simple, but it actually turns out to be really helpful in focusing your idea. Thor's kind of like Yoda. You want to listen to Yoda. I have made like Wikipedia type of site of all the stuff in the game. It's on my other computer right now. Oh, that's cool. Really? Wow, that's cool. So you have your own wiki. You're making a wiki for your game. That's awesome. That's awesome. And I'm not in home. Minimum viable product. Yeah, something like that. Although what happened with me and Steam is I paid $100 to list. I made a basic shooter, but I didn't actually make it playable because I was trying to get something that I could just release as a demo. Like if I work on this, it could be cool, you know. And I got denied on Steam. And I should have just continued and worked on it and everything, but I changed my mind. I thought, okay, I'm going to go back to my main project, the Space Trader, even though it's a lot more complicated and a lot more work, and I'm going to do that. No, I mean like a wiki-like of article of the game. It's not in online. Yeah, I know. You did it on your own computer. That's awesome. That's totally cool. Because when you go to do an actual wiki for your game, you can just copy that into a website. You totally could. Totally could. Does my bubble thing work? The thought bubbles. Do you see the thought bubbles? You do. Okay. I was trying to get this. Okay, this section right here around here. You see the bubbles? I was trying to randomize where those bubbles appear. But I can't apparently affect the CSS locations or something like that. I don't know. I only tried I only tried once. And it made it so that none of them appeared. I changed one of them. You'd have to do it with JS. Yeah, I was trying with JS. Yeah. Yeah. It's what kind of got me into studying web design. Even, of course, Quantum Apprentice. He's another streamer. He's in my About section all the way down my streamer shelf. I just added that. Just found out I have a streamer shelf. Oh yeah, Juice, I should add you to my streamer shelf. Hold on. How do I do that? Let me go do that right now. I will show you. Twitch. Go to channel. You go over here. No. Wait, where's my... You go to... Where's the edit? Where's the edit? Edit. Show me? No. Edit panels? No. Oh, this is my little intro video. So how do I... Channel... Settings. Hold on. I don't know if I can do that with the stream going. Let me just do that for a second. Pretty sure I can do this, but is it settings in here? Profile. channel and videos. Oh, there it is. Okay, pretty sure I can show you the rest of this. So if you go into here, creator dashboard, settings, channel, featured content, then you go down to the bottom here, streamer shelf, suggested channels. You can also do it up here where your suggested channels gets turned on. You can do it right in here too. And let me add you. Juice. Is it going to show? Okay, your name is a little bit complicated, bruh. Juice MIT APF. MIT APF. There you are. Add you there. So now you should also appear at the bottom as soon as I save. As soon as I save, you should appear on my streamer shelf. I shelved you, dude. I'm just kidding. I shelved you. Okay. But yeah, I hope you get into coding. I hope you really do it, because it sounds like you're definitely motivated to make a game. That card game has cards that have different complicated. Have you played a card game called Android Netrunner? No. Cards that have different looking frames, UI on the cards, so that was the thing I was designing last time. I just need to create some cards for the game to get it rolling. Interesting. Cool. Sounds like, as soon as you said that, it sounds like something that people would put on Patreon and support. You should probably consider doing that on Patreon. Okay, so just an idea. I don't know if you'd be into doing something like that. So class planets 40. So let's do 1,000 points. That might be too much, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So I don't think we need these, the super shapes. I think if I go to do the super shapes, they look really cool. I know. If I go do the super shapes, we'll just pull up the old class planets. Okay, so let's go like that. This is super shape. We don't need that. Palette. Planet palette. Palette colors. I don't think we use that either. What was that for? Oh, that was for all the planets. Oh, center, color, velocity. Oh yeah, okay. Did I used to have the planets move? Oh, I did, huh? Ah, okay. So, this is a rather large class, and it's got so much to it. I don't know if I should use this, or if I should just start from scratch with a new class. Because it's really not the class that's going to do it, it's the shaders. Survivor can draw cards that look scary without text. Only the boss player knows what to do with them. That is one way I'm trying to create horror. Interesting. That's cool. That's really cool. Juice, thanks for the clash. Sorry I got distracted and stuff. I often get distracted from from doing that. So I guess I could just delete this, and I mean, I'm starting over from scratch anyways. So let's leave the P VBOs, nearest index line. We don't need, we don't need any of this. We don't need any of this. At first, texture variable, we will need that. Don't need any of that stuff. Super shape variables, not gonna need that. Minimap variable, the minimap, I'm scared. I'm scared now. No, we'll need that eventually. Fine. Okay, whatever. I don't know. I think I just want all those functions. I don't think I want any init text. We want that. So the functions up there we're gonna keep. Show hide minimap. Okay, so we don't need any of this stuff. Let's get rid of those. So that'll give us red, probably. No, it's not included in the project. Okay, hold on. So init data, init via BBO, it's inheriting shaders. So render, update data, cleanup, init text. Okay. So let's get rid of some of these. Get minimap status, show HUD. You're going to see a lot of deleting right now. Lots of deleting. Get nearest palette. We don't need that. See, a lot of this stuff I just kind of didn't do it right. You know what I'm talking about? I just didn't do it right. Okay, update data. uh, let's leave this loop and that's it. Take everything else out of update data. Keep going, everything out of it, keep going. And let's leave that, because that's the only other thing we'll need is the OpenGL stuff. Okay, render is hopefully small. Okay, good, small. InitVA, whatever. That's fine. Recycle, that's a thing. We don't need that. Init data, might have to delete everything in init data, but we're going to keep it. How big is this? It's huge. It's absolutely huge. I don't think I need anything in it. Because I'm redoing the data from the ground up. That's the whole thing. Because this is all just points here. Make super shape. Okay, those are awesome. Those are cool. I'm gonna miss them, but we'll add them later. Well, I promise we'll add them later. We got the code. We're at the end of the file. We're at the end of the file, and it looks like it's fairly manageable size now. So we have that. We have render. We have that. Okay, so render. We're gonna change all this. These comments don't really go in here. Draw lines, we're not going to use that. Draw planets, area points. Draw lines for super shapes, not going to use that. Disable blend. Jeff, you're just getting... Do we have to enable blend for the... No. Draw planets, okay, get that out of there. What's this? We're not going to use that. I think that's all we need for the render. Init VABAO. So what a lot of these function calls are is to OpenGL. What's this? Oh, lines of the super shapes. I don't need that. So the S, let's just go down here. Delete all that. Program point size, all that. Okay, so oh wait, this is the lines. Okay, we don't need the lines either. Don't need that. Boy, we're just deleting a lot of code, getting rid of it. Okay, good. Feels good, like cleaning house. Phew. Okay, we're going to come back to that in just a second. Add existing. Okay, I think it'll work now. I'm just going to take a quick break for some exercise, and I'll be right back. I'll let you look at the cool graphics while I'm gone. I'm breaking stuff. I feel like I'm breaking my headset. I have no idea. Okay, so let's get this functional, I guess. Okay, so what this is a class. It inherits the shader class. So what are we going to do? First thing... Oh, I like how this doesn't... Oh. I was going to say, I like how it actually didn't take it out of the project just because I... But it did. Okay. So... Was away for a while. Me too, I did some exercise. Just had a piece of fruit. I overdosed on sugar earlier too, so that might be might be a little hyper. But sometimes you need that for coding. Okay, planets. Oh, I put everything into do class inits. That was a kind of a dumb thing to do, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing we do is we init text, right? So we can do that. We can do that. I think it's difficult to make horror in board games. Mostly the players are the source who create the horror. I've never thought about it, but it sounds intriguing. It sounds intriguing. So init text is the first thing we want to call. Why would we do that? Why? I'm just kidding. Uh-oh. What did I hit the wrong key? How old are you? Alright. Okay, so that should make it so that we can do this. Okay, so just including it in the thing. We're not going to do anything with it yet. We just instantiated it. That's it. We're including it. We're going to run it. That's it. Errors. Uh-oh. That's not good. Is that it? It's just errors from there? Oh. Why? Something I missed? Oh, update data? Oh. Well, we don't need that. What else? Squiggly? Oh, there's a comma. Okay. Oh, yep, I deleted that. Good call. Computer, good call. Computer, you're doing really well. You're doing very, very well. Very well. Yeah, I can comment all this out. We don't need any of this. We're just instantiating. I don't want to delete that. Okay, okay. This, we're not going to render anything. Everything else is fine. I'm just going to comment that out, just for now. What else is squiggly? This is almost not squiggly. There's only one line that's squiggly. So that'll change because we're going to come up with a new thing for it. I guess I should try to encourage players to play boss role if the player can act more evil-like. Interesting. Encourage them to play the boss role. So give them, I don't know, bonuses or something for playing the boss role. Give them boss bonuses, man. Boss bonuses. Okay, so now can we compile and run and do and everything? And we're not calling the class for anything. We're just going to see the ship and the stars. We're not doing anything. It's almost generating the code. Everything's almost fine. Is it going to work? Ah, it works. Okay, we didn't break anything. Well, we fixed what we broke, but we didn't break anything. We didn't really do anything. That's it. This is it. So we still have the ship. We're excited. We still have the stars. We're excited for that. That's it. We've got it. Okay, now we want to put one star. One moon, one star, I love the way we are. I know, it's a good song. Okay. I sing it horribly. Alright, so to get 1 star, what do we have to do? We have to go into here. We want this. This is what we want. This is what we want. So, oh man, do class inits. Jeff, you're killing me. Alright, hold on. Oh, here we are. Okay, calm down. Everybody calm down. Oh. Okay, so let's not do p init data. Let's not. No. Okay, alright. Anyways, p init text. We don't need that for the star, but we can do that. We'll just do that. So we're just going to initialize the texture within that class. That's it. Excuse me. Did it work? Oh, cool. Alright, that works. It's still fine. We're not breaking anything. I didn't expect I was breaking anything. I didn't think I was breaking anything. I didn't think I was thinking I was breaking anything. Okay. So what we want to really do, is init data. We really want to just init data. But down here the init data is broken. It's broken. I deleted everything. There's nothing here to do. Nothing. If you're interested in checking out the Android Netrun, it's a good introduction. Really? The BECU Business Cashback. Ozone board games? Interesting. More than one ad is going to run right now. No! Okay, 5 seconds. 4, 3, dumb Grammarly. 2, 1, commercial. Alright, skip it. What is it? What's happening right now? Introduction. Android Netrunner.
Welcome. Created by installing agenda or asset cards. Agendas are the only cards in the game worth agenda points and have an advancement requirement.
Cool.
He draws Archer from his R&D and adds it to his hand. The corporation player then begins the action phase of his turn and uses his first click to play Hedge Fund, an operation card. Ability. Spent and a return to the token bank. When score.
That would be interesting to code a card game like that. I used to play Minion Masters. Absolutely love Minion Masters. So addicting. Beautiful graphics too. Very cool. Let's see. So if I just want to draw 1 star, 1 point, I can just come in here and we'll just draw 1. So we're going to draw 1 point. Basically, runners like a hacker is trying to hack agenda cards from the corporation. Interesting. So should we do the init VAO? I think we should. Usually we init data, then we do that, but we got solar1.p init VAO VBO. Okay, let's do that. I don't think there would be a problem with that. VAO VBO. We can run it just to make sure. Oh wait, it's not, okay. I commented out that one. It still works though. I commented out that one line. One thing that you'll find if you become a coder, you will become one with the code. It's like all of a sudden, when you hit run, when you hit compile, you know what the computer is going to do. And it's just the coolest thing. I don't know how to describe it other than that. It's really cool. Let's see. Corporation's trying to work on agenda cards on his protected servers. The player who has 7 points worth or more of agenda points wins the game. Interesting. So this one, we need an actual buffer to put the points into. Actually, points is going to be the buffer. Right, okay. That'll work. Points is going to be the buffer. Points, points, points. So let's go size of points right here. And then I think we just put the name points right there. Pretty sure that's it. Now in init data, all we need to do is runner is using viruses or other kinds of icebreaker tools to break corporation ICEs, firewalls that are protecting the server. Cool. So all I need is this. This filled in for the star. And actually, we're not even going to change the location and stuff. So points. So what we're looking at is points 0.pos2d. Okay, and that's a vector 2d, so let's just make it 0, 0. We'll put it right in the center of the screen. It won't move. Points 0.color. That's a vector 3. Oh, right, that should be like that. Okay, so the vector 3, let's make it blue. So red, green, oops, green. Computer, can I type? Blue. Cannot type. You are not allowed. Points 0.gst is grid size type. Okay, so that's a vector 3. So what you want to do is, okay, for grid, let's do like a high number. Let's do 16. Size? Do I need a size, Jeff? Oh. Let's do 128 to start. And the type, okay, so that's where, okay. Can't work. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here's what we want to do. Space Planets 119 FS. Didn't I? I think I did. I did. Okay. Oh, I have it right up here. VS, though. We don't need to change anything in there. Where's the FS? Ah, there it is. Ah, hello. Hello there. Hello, sir. I'm scared. Holy Lord, we got all this stuff going on. Why, Jeff? Why? Okay, so the grid type, if isLine equals 1. Oh, so this is all just else from the line. Okay, this is 20, right? So let's take this out. We're not going to draw lines. Let's take this out. This is shader code right now. And dim mult, okay, that's fine. Show GUI, dim mult, okay, that I'm going to leave that in. But this, we can take this, delete. Okay, let's go down here. Go down here. Keep going. What are we taking out? This right there. Okay, now everything else needs to move over. Come here. Everything else, come with me. Here we go. And there we go. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so grid type, we're actually not doing any of this right now, but we are going to use the flowers or space swirls. We're going to use the crystals. We're going to use the planet from texture. Oh, here's the mini map. Okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, see, this is great because I've got comments in my code, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, this, I don't know if we're going to use that. But, so let's comment that out for right now. We could delete it. I don't want to delete it. I don't feel very deletey. Grid type .y. Oh. So let's just go 20. Let's call it 20. And then what we need to put in there is from the other shader. Have wondered if there could be like medieval types of spaceships or medieval type of space world. Oh yes, that's cool. Or space world with different theme, but just something where you could move on open space without gravity. Cool. So if you started coding, what language do you think you'd want to learn? Or if you want to make your game with a game engine, what game engine would you like to use? or have even thought about it. I don't know. C or Python. Cool. Those are both great. Those are both great. C++ is probably what you'd want to learn. Cool. Very cool. Grid type equals 20, and then we're going to put in, so what I want to do is, I want to take this here. So we're already in main, so we're going to go color equals that, color equals that. Oh, I don't want to mess this up though. I don't want to mess it up. So we need the uniforms too. No, we don't. Okay, hold on. We don't need the uniforms. We're going to change everything. We're changing everything. It's way too easy to just say what kind of things I want compared to actually make them into games. Yeah, oh yeah, it's true. If you don't know either of those languages, I don't know Python as well, but I know that Python is much more, it's got a lot more modules for stuff. Python is amazing. C and C++ is amazing, but it's a little bit more. Originally I was making the board game for tabletop simulator game. Cool. But C and C++ is a little bit more like when you go to use a library and stuff, it's a lot more difficult, and sometimes, a lot of times it doesn't work. It has stumbled me many times. But Python, there I was able to simulate the combat. Cool. Yeah, but Python, you just import a module and then you can use the functions, and it just seems so seamless and easy. So I guess if I had to recommend one, my main focus of my life has pretty much been C++. But I would recommend, possibly, seriously consider Python. Possibly. I don't know. If you know some stuff about C or C++, maybe you'd want to go that route, but if you don't know either one, I would tend to recommend Python. Let's see, cube grid and cube color. Okay, so both of those things are going to be, okay, out color. So the shader is different. So we can still use this function. Let's just move this function over. Do I still have this function in the thing here? Do we have platform? So we have rotate texture. We got crystal 1, flower 3, hash, color prime, mouse, hash 31, is prime, hash 1. Okay, so we don't have platform. So we could easily just copy it over. So what I want to do is copy this function into this fragment shader, and I don't want to use the square, and I'm not going to have another type, so we're going to take out if type 2, so we're just going to have that, and you can so is there anything we can optimize about this? UV equals cube grid times GL point chord. Excuse me, CID equals 1 minus fractional part of that. Excuse me. Length equals length minus fractional part of GL point chord. If length is greater than discard that. Okay, so that looks pretty good. That looks pretty optimized. All right, I know. I'm just what do you call it? Brainstorming, or just off the top of my head. Okay, hey, what happened to the music? Did it crash? It might have, I don't know. Sometimes it crashes here. I might have to restart, whatchamacallit. Oh, it's fine. Maybe that latest update that they did actually fixed some stuff. That's cool. Yeah, the Steam Music Player used to crash. It sucks. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Do we use rotate 3? I don't think we use that. I don't know why that's there. So color equals platform, cube color 2, 2 cube grid, color equals vector 4. So let's take this, move this over to there, right here. So instead of doing that, color equals, let's just take this and put it right here. I don't know why I did that. If grid type Y equals 20, we'll do that. Cube color, okay, so now we just need to get the colors right. So, frag color equals grid type dot Y. Okay, so what are we doing? What are we doing? Crystal 1. Does this shader receive in our color? So our color comes in, and then grid type comes in. Okay, so our color. So this should be our color instead of cube color. There we go. Is that right? Yeah. And then grid type X and Y. So what is this one? Cube grid? I think that's grid type. I think it's grid type.x. Because I do something really weird with these shaders when I do that. Where's the did I close the whoops, what was that? I have no idea what I just did. Space Planets 120, Space Planets 120 VS. So grid type comes, or no, it comes in GST, grid size type. Okay, so the size affects it right here, the Y, okay. Then the grid type is a vector 2, and it goes through with the X and Z, so grid is X, okay. And then the type is the Z. Yeah, so that's right. So that's the grid. And then the Y I meant is what I meant right there. That's the type, so 20. So we just got to make the type 20. So grid size type 20 right there. So the grid 16, size 128, and type, okay, Alrighty then. So then, let's call init data, make sure we're not breaking anything. We want to call that before we call the, just going to initialize this 1 point and that's it. That's it. That's all we're doing. That's it. Computer. Don't freak out. Computer. Okay, init VABAO. Do we have shaders? We don't have the shaders yet. Okay, so solar 1. Load shaders. Okay. Now we're going to load space planets 120.vs quote space underscore planets 120.fs semicolon init data. Okay, let's see if we can just do all that right there. There might even be problems with the shaders. We'll look and see. Okay, let's run it. Running. Oh. It works. Okay, so we didn't break anything. Did we get any errors? Oh, we did. Undefined variable color, 240. Undefined variable color, program fragment shader. What is happening? What is happening inside of my shaders? What line am I on? Oh, color equals. No, this one, this is supposed to be frag color. Isn't that what we're doing? Out vector 4 frag color. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, save it, run it again, check, make sure. Hit the space bar, ship flying through space. No errors, we did it. We did it. Hey zombie, what up, man? What's up, man? How you doing? I'm building solar systems at the moment. I'm trying to put a star in. I had a clash earlier, and I didn't follow through, so If I get distracted or something happens, I apologize. J Fresh, what up? How's it going, guys? We're having quite an interesting conversation with Wolgar. He was going to do a horror card game, tabletop card game, and thinking about learning C or Python. And I was like, cool, dude. Okay, let's see what we got. Bingo, bingo, bing, 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 bang. Hello, le. Hello, le. Hello, le. Wait, what? See what they do to see what programmers do to other programmers. Do you see? Oh my gosh, C++. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know what I'm doing. Where did the music go? Is it broken? It's broken again. Computer. See, it's broken. I gotta restart Steam. It is. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be very nice. How come it's on City Gates? It's stuck. Do I have to exit Steam? Oh man. Forget what I said about that update. I think they need Zombie Whale on their team on Steam in order to fix their music player. He's already got it. He's solved this and he's got 100%. I'm trying to fix Steam. I'm trying to fix the player on Steam. Okay, is this, are we looping? Is it, everybody in chat's like, yes, Jeff, you're looping. Okay, sounds cool, learn both. Yeah, exactly. I agree. There you go. He said it out loud. He said the quiet part out loud. I'm just kidding. Hey, Rafa Rafa. Am I already friends? We're following Rafa Rafa. Rafa Rafa. Rafa Rafa? Oh. Okay, so what are we going to do? W, I don't know. How many are we getting? Print W. So that gives us bingo. Bingo. For I in range length of W. Print W. Okay, now it's not enough. We need +1. +1. You must add 1. Okay, so is there a substring command? See if that's good enough question. I don't even know. Holy Lord, we got too much information. Substring to replace, replacement string, original place. What? New string? Just replace? Substring to replace. Oh. Using string slicing and concatenation. Original string start index, replacement string, original string end index. Oh, starting. Oh, that's okay. I gotcha. I don't know. I don't know. This involves the use of the substring thing, doesn't it? So print W. Okay. So how do we do? I colon. Oh, look at that. What if we put it in the middle? Oh, cool, look at that. So... Length of W plus 1. Oh, it took out the... You see how I'm just complicating my life further and further? I'm just digging a hole deeper and deeper. Okay, I give up. I was close. I want to see Wales' solution. In range length of word +1. Okay, I was close. I was off by 1. Print word, colon. Ah, I had the thing right. It was colon word minus length of word minus I plus star times. Oh, yes. Genius. Genius. Golf clap. Genius. I got 0. Share my code. I was so close. My little A minus I sitting in there. Alright. Okay. What was I doing? I was trying to print a star. You guys? Trying to print a star. Display a star on the screen. Will this do it? No, this won't do it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Just doing this, throwing this out here. You're not going to do this. Okay. Actually, we're close. We're very close. All we need to do is we need to sing. Oh, sorry. You're ruining the song, Jeff. So where's the render? Oh, do show space. Where's that at? Oh. So let's put it in. Where's the P? Is it P render? P render. Yes. Okay, we're gonna draw 1 point, and we got the shader. It's working. Everything is perfect. It's fine. It's gonna work. I'm closing my eyes for. Oh, it works. Oh wait, but it's obscuring the ship. It's obscuring the ship. Okay, that's perfect though. That's exactly what I want. Look at that. It's a blue sun. It is a blue dwarf. Welcome to my blue dwarf system. Yes. Please approach and trade with me. Have you got gems? It looks beautiful too. That's beautiful. 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 That's beautiful. Okay. Okay, there's a problem here. The problem is, here's the problem. Okay, gotcha. I'm with you. I'm with you. We've got a problem, but here's the solution. Here's the solution. All we need to do is Solar1P update data. So exciting. This is so exciting. I can't believe that worked. Wait, what? Uh-oh. There's a squiggly. Update player should let's be. Oh, so let's go dx and dy. Will that do it? I think what we need to do is very exciting. See, look at this position 2D. This is gonna be cool. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited. It's gonna work. What are you doing? What is this? What is this? We don't want to move all objects. We want to move just one. Oh, let's keep this. But we'll change it. Okay. What did I call it? Planets one? No. No, it's not. Computer. What is it called? Points. Ah. Points. Points. Yes. 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 I feel like the evil scientist now. Yes. Yes, Yago. Keep working. So all we need to do in here, okay, is go like this. We got dx. So we go points sub-0 dot position 2D. And I think all we have to do is add glm vector 2 p underscore dx1 comma p underscore dy1. And that's it. and it'll update it, and it's going to render, and then everything is cooler, and okay, I didn't cuss. If at all possible, we try to keep it family friendly. It's not always... Oh, it's moving the exact opposite way. It's like, wait, don't go that way. I'll follow you. Don't go. Okay. So, that's alright. All we need to do is just subtract. There we go. Alrighty then. What's going on? Wait, give me the mouse. Give me the mouse. There we go. Okay. Now we can move around, and the star is right there. Isn't that cooler than stuff? The thing is, you go behind the... I'm going to go... You know what I'm going to do? Just hide my ship. The ship is hidden. Gotta go slightly over that way. Whoop, up, 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 up. New game, hide the ship. Hide the ship. Yes, it's true. I'm having too much fun. Okay, so that'll be like the star. It's a little small. Don't you think it's a little small? Peekaboo, yeah, the new Pokemon. The latest Pokemon brought to you by... Okay, where's the grid size? So let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. Twice the size, everybody. Twice the size. Okay. That's cool. Okay, that could be, I could see that being a sun, a star. It's much better than my last star. Remember, if any of you were watching my YouTube videos and stuff, I was trying to do a 3D thing in the middle, and I didn't have the movement quite right and everything. It was good. It was gorgeous, but awkward and clunky and dumb and just not well thought out. Okay, I think this is good. The ship's a little big. My ship is almost star-sized. Yes, that's true. What if I should just shrink the ship down to like half the size it is now? I don't want to mess with the ship. Maybe later. But for now, we've got a hideout, Captain. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so that was very exciting. All I need to do is a little bit more exercise. I will eat some more fruit, and I will work on what's next. What is next? Planets. Planets. Oh yeah, you know what? You know what we should do? Hold on. Instead of just... Let's just change it. Where am I at? What am I doing? So instead of color... Okay, grid, size, type. Okay, so the type... Let's do... Okay, hold up. Let's just do a planet really quick. We can do this. We can do this right now. Right now. No need for exercise or fruit. Hold the phone. Okay, I'm not on the phone, but still. So let's move it up. Let's have it be over here. It's going to be in orbit, in a weird orbit. Color. I don't even think we worry about the color when it comes to... So what we need, minimap? No. Oh, that'd be cool. We can do a minimap. We can do it. We can do all this stuff now. The world has opened up to us. Okay, so number 8. We're going to do 8. Go back here. No, not there. Not there. Go here. Here. Okay. I know. Okay, so grid, size, type. 8. That's a large planet. Let's shrink it down. Let's make it 64. I don't think we're worrying about grid. So there's 1. And then when we go to render, we need to render both points, the star and the planet. And how does it choose of all the planets? How does it choose which one? Grid type Y equals 8. Grid type X is the, okay, grid type X. So we have to do grid. Okay, so the grid. Ah, the grid. Okay. So it's right here. 16? Which one is that? I don't know. Let's just go with the first one. Let's just go number 1. Or 0 is probably the first one. Let's go 0. So will that do it? And then with the update function, we also see this one. Okay, let's do the same thing. I know we could put it in a loop. We're gonna, whatever. We're just gonna do that. Okay, alright, okay. I'm scared. I'm scared of this. Oh, oh. We got a planet, look at that. Oh, we can't hide behind it. It's too small. It's one of the weird ones too. That's cool. Okay, so that's cool. So let's choose, how many planets did we have again? Let's go look. I forgot. How many planets? It's been so long. It's been so long. Is this the one? So that's the one that we showed. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 70 minus 1, 69. We have 69. Okay, so let's make it a random. Let's just, every time we load it, we'll make this number here. It's going to be GL float. What happened just now, computer? Why you do that? Why? This has got to be in parentheses too because we're casting the whole thing. Go 70, and that's it. Okay, so that'll go 0 to 69. Or wait, we don't want it to go to 69. We want to go to 68. So there we go. So that'll go 0 to 68. And then random, okay, that's going to be an integer. Okay. So now when we load it, it's going to be a random planet each time. Cool. Cool. Dude, you got a red planet and a blue sun. See, this is so much more fun now. What was I doing before? I don't know, but it wasn't this much fun. Okay, so we don't need to do moons. Moons are the same thing. What else? Moons are the same thing. Asteroid belts, 1 grid type color, slight variation of the crystal. Ah, yes. Aha, yes. Okay, for now, you know, I'm not even going to load the... Well, very cool. Thank you, JFresh. I'm having too much fun. Okay, I'm going to go do a little bit of exercise. I'll come back. We're going to do asteroid belts. We're going to do warp zones. It's exciting. It's exciting. I'm excited. And okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to just show the project. I'm not going to hide the ship anymore. We're not hiding. That's what we got for random again? Wait. Let's try a different one. That's a weird one too. This is a weird one. Wow, look at that planet. That's a weird one. We gotta have a good one. For the break, is that a good one? Oh, the graphics a little bit glitched, but who cares? I don't care. It's a planet with, it's got a little aurora on the side right there. That's what it is. It's not a glitch in the graphics, it's an aurora. Okay, I'm gonna go hide partially. Stick my nose out, whatever. Right there. Okay, I'll be back in just a few. Holy smokes, come back and the music's going crazy. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, alright, we're super excited. Let's look at another. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, so let's work on this asteroid belt thingy. All we need is another point. Boop, boop, boop. Might as well do the other thing too. Two. Can I do, is that, okay, that was weird. That was weird. Okay, I think that'll do that. Gonna eat a piece of fruit real quick. What's a good color for an asteroid? Brown? Gray? If it's gray, it's all 0.5 everything. Let's try that. Okay, and then if it's one of the flowers. Flowers, oh, less than 7, there's different types. Oh, so what are the types? Where's the flower? Is it flower 3? No. It is flower 3. Hold on. Flower 3 grid type. Grid type Y is less than... Oh, grid type is the parameter? Twist type. Ah. Where does it... I thought there was a... Oh, did I mess with it? I messed with it. Son of a bean dip. What I did previously... Oh, twist type is right here. Excuse me. Choking to death. Pardon me. Okay, st.x divided by... That's pi. 2 pi? That's 2 pi. Plus 0.5 plus twist type is greater than... Twist type is greater than 3. Question minus st... Or... What I did was I fed the whole function into ChatGPT and I asked it for help to make a better function. And it looks beautiful, it does, but it's just... Alright, well, we'll try different twist types and see what we get. If we don't get it, we can go back to the old code. I'll find the old code somewhere, wherever it's at. And then, okay. Alright, okay, alright, okay. Oh, wait, did I make this one 1.5? What did I do? Okay, so color... now, this one's going to be... Start with 1. Pretty sure one. One is one. One is one? I'm pretty sure one's one. Let's make it... I don't know what color. What color would a warp? A good warp. Good warpy color. Blue? I don't know. Red, green, blue. It's already blue. Okay. Okay, so now we got 3 points. 4 points. We have 4 points. So we want to draw 4 points. Excuse me. Now we're gonna make a loop, is what I was gonna say. Is what I was gonna say, pardon me. 4, you went I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus, sign up a bean dip. There. Does that do it? I think that does it. I think that's all we need. Okay, that's all we need. Let's go. Oh, it worked. Hi ho, hi ho. Okay, so what this is that looks like a good that could be a cool good asteroid. What? How come there's nothing down here? That's a planet. We're getting another planet. Why are we getting another planet? What's this? What are you doing? What are you doing, bruh? What happened? So this one, oh. Okay, so grid is what's supposed to go over here. Let's do like 4 for the grid. This was supposed to be the type, which is 1 right there. Oh. There's 6 different types. You know, I can weaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can just do 5 more points. Why not? Walk on the wild side. 4. This is kind of cool. It carries over the thing with the okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, did we not do? Oh, there's one more. I was like, okay. Alrighty. Yeah, okay. Okay, the other thing is they're all in the same position, which, you know, kind of makes it difficult to look at. So 3 will go 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Then we'll go 0.6. Oops, 0.6. Is that good? Will that be good? I don't know. I don't really know. I'm not sure. No, we'll just find out. We'll just find out. We're making them all blue, different twist types. We'll see what happens. Oh wait, we're not drawing that many points yet, are we? So it's 8. So we're drawing 9 points. 9. Oh. So 9 there. Okay. Everything, I think that's good. Oh, yep. Okay. All right. See what happens. Oh, look at that. That's your warp. See? That's a warp. That's a good warp. That's a good color, too. It's a good color for a warp. I like it. They're all good. All of them are good. The first one? The last one. I don't know which one. The third one? The fourth one? I don't know. Here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. Watch. I think... Is it still in there? Is it still... Oh, it's not in there. Okay, that's fine though. So we want, what, the first one? Wait, where am I at? So the first one. So let's see where we at. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't see 6 on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Is there something there? No. So let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do 1 and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. Here we're going to do 1 and 5. Let's make them purple. This will make yellow. Okay. Just to see what they look like. You know what I could probably do? What? Oh, those look weird. Purple? That's not purple. That's red, and then look at that one. That one looks like a warp right there. Because it's got a hole in the middle. Look at that one. I am kind of... I like number 2 now. I like number 2. It looks warpy. The last one's good too, with 2 colors in the middle like that with a swirl. But I like number 2. So what's the number 2 one? What is the magic thing? So 4, 64, 5. It's the 5th one, and it's blue. The 5th twist type, huh? So let's try all on the 5th twist type. Try all different colors. Okay, we're going to go to all different colors. This one will do one that's just green. Green. What's this one? Do we have one? Okay, we don't have one there. 5. Okay. Let's make a white one. Just for sake of argument, let's go up a couple of notches on some of these. Let's go down 3, 4. Let's go 12 on that one. Let's see. Let's see. Let us see. Oh, cool. Wait, how come the top one is the only one that has the... Oh, is it color-based? Why is it? Oh, it's got to be something to do with the color. I should probably go through that. I'm thinking the warp should be some kind of... Look at the last one. That's cool. Okay, I still like the first one, and I think it has to be... I think it has to be red because of the way the color is manipulated or whatever. I don't know. These will be... Yeah. So this would be like you'd run into it and you would just like... you would warp to another solar system. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. Screenshot. Screenshot time. It's time for a screenshot. Okay, so we have a star, we have warps. It's pretty good. I think we're going to call it here. Okay, so what do we have? Pictures, JPEG. Let's call it Solar System 01. 001. It's not even 01 yet. Okay, thanks everybody for tuning in. What do we got? 2, JFresh, see ya. Hey man, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for stopping in. Is it still giving me the... Oh, still giving me... I didn't hear it. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna end stream. I don't think I'm gonna raid anybody or do any of that. Have a good night. I'll be on tomorrow. I just put a schedule up, so I'm gonna be on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Pacific time between 1 and 4 in the morning. Not necessarily for 3 hours. Today was what? 2 hours? That was crazy. Okay. That's cool. I really like that. I get the exercise flow going. I have some fruit and get ready for bed. Got to do some flossing, and gosh, it's 4 in the morning already, so I got to floss and brush and shower and head to bed. So anyways, have a good night, everybody. Thanks for everybody stopping by in the chat. We had a good stop. We had a good bunch of folks. Nice conversation with Gare, okay. Did some clashes. Did I finish that clash? Oh, I didn't finish. What did I do? Well, I gave up and I just wanted to see whales. Oh, what about Rafarafa? Rafarafa. Oh, look at this. Okay, I got you. I don't understand any of that, but I'm sure it's awesome. Okay. ChatGPT, good night to you. Let's end the stream.